What's up? It's your boy, and right here I have Libernovo OmniChair. It's the world's first dynamic ergonomic chair. It moves when you move. It's shaped the way you're shaped. Smash like, subscribe. Let's get into unboxing. Ladies and gentlemen, within this box contains every office worker's wildest dream. Without further ado, let's just get right into the unboxing. I want to see this thing, test it out, see if Libernovo is good or bad. Okay, so we have this, and they also sent a leg rest, which is over here. Here we go, first impressions. Ooh. This is actually kind of nice because like the little books are great, but then you have to like open the page and turn the page and then you just like, where it go? Oh, where is it? Half the time I'm just looking for the damn instructions. So we got LiberNovo tool kits. We have the wheelbase. Sick. Here's the backrest. Very nice. Ooh, dude, look at how soft that is. Look. Here's the, what the heck is this? Excuse my French, but children, avert your ears. What the fuck is this? What is this? Whatever this is, we have this. Is this what makes it dynamic? Okay, now we have the bottom. Pretty soft. Definitely not as soft as the headrest or the backrest. Oh my god, no wonder there's freaking cables. Look, there's controls. No. Why? Okay, so now we move on to the next step. Now I have all these chunks of chair. I'm just gonna go off of pure intuition alone and not follow the instructions. In here we have a nice wheel. That's pretty cool. Go ahead and pop those bad boys on. Pro tip, if you want to help put the wheels in easier, you just take your thumb and put it like right here above this. Okay. Whoa, did they give me like a fancy screwdriver, dude? I could probably use this for like other videos, man. 5 screws, okay, I don't know what this goes to. This looks like an adjustment handle of sorts. Cool. And what is this? It's got a little connection and a Type-C on it. It says Libernovo right there. I think it might be a battery pack, probably for the controls. And that's all that's in the accessories box, so I'll set that off. Now I'm at the point where I don't know what to do. So I guess we'll have to consult with the instructions here. Don't you just hate when you have to follow instruction? Oh, I did step 1. That's it. I did only step 1 by myself, and that was all I could get by myself. Thanks for the instructions, man. I guess I need them. Lift with your back. This bad boy heavy. Ooh. Step 2, complete. Step 3, install back support slide. Okay, so you pull this thing up, and then pull this thing out, and then you stick it into here with long screw. Oh, that's all the screws in this entire thing. That's why they flexed on me so hard in the box. It's just 4 long screw and 1 short screw, so I guess use 1 long screw. There you go, see that? So don't hand tighten it, you have to literally go tool in. You have to just put a lot of force in while you're screwing, basically, because there's no threads to catch. I'll take it, not bad. Step 4, align seat with arms module with base. Remember, please remove it before using the chair. What is it? What is that? We'll figure that out in a minute. Now we just have to hook the bottom onto this somehow. I don't know how. I'm just gonna have to intuit it on there, I don't know. We got this part on, we slid it on to the little stands, the little eyelets or whatever, and now we're on to step 5. Okay, put the type C in there from the backrest to the bottom to the back of the chair. There's a little type C cable that was sticking up, remember that? Get back here, buddy. I'm not done with you. Okay, after that, this was super confusing, so there's a little hole right here and you have to align them pretty good and then put 2 screws, one on this side and then same thing on the other side to connect this piece to the butt. And you also plug the type C cable from this back part into the backrest of the chair right here. And then there's a piece right here you have to kind of get lined up. Okay, it helps if you just push it down, this whole thing, put your fingers on top of this and push down to help line it up. If you have any problem, nice and stripped. That's how you know it's tight, baby. So now I think we just hook this thing up. There's a little hole in the bottom for it, so I guess there's a little clip on either side, so you can just shove it in there. And then this is, you have to tighten this thing onto here, so make sure it's kind of out, push it up, it'll click, and then tighten it, and there you go. Bada bing, bada shing. Step 7, install back. Press and hold the button along the longitudinal axis. I guess I'm gonna just throw it on there and see what happens, because I don't know what a longitudinal axis is. I'm sorry, dumb American here, don't know anything. I'm just gonna put it on and hope for best. The American way. Here's the back, beautiful back, one of a kind, never seen another chair like it. Shove that in there and manhandle it until something freaking cool happens. So you take that piece out, you put the bar in, and then you put the piece right back in where you took the piece out. Make sure to pay attention to how you took the piece out. Unlike me, I couldn't figure it out. Okay, step 8, install neck rest and battery. Just gonna shove it in, I guess. Whoa, she's looking awfully dynamic. If you got a freaking, then it'll work. We just have this, which I forgot in step 6. There's a little shape down there that's shaped like this. Just make sure you put flat side to flat side. It's pretty intuitive. The other way, just insert it. There's a little hole for it there. All right, and then the battery pack. Just take the LiberNovo symbol, and there's a slot right here. Boom. First impressions time. I'm pretty hyped about it because it's extremely soft, so I feel like it's going to be really comfortable. Here we go. Ooh. Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. I really like this. No cap. On God, I like this. This is nice. Here's the deal. This is the best chair I've ever sat in, and it's not even close. I don't know what to say. Sorry, everybody else. Video over. I'm just gonna sit here and think for a little while. This is great. Anyways, first impressions, it's extremely comfortable. I just like the way it feels. We're gonna try and test out the functions now and see how those go. So we have the Bionic FlexFit Backrest. Who back built like that? I just want to talk. Give you nice good posture, force you to sit in a position you don't want to, because let's be honest, no one's sitting up straight. So that's the Dynamic FlexFit Backrest. Wow, pretty cool. Dang, dude. I wish this would go out a little farther, like it goes in. Actually, I'm more of like an in guy, but because these are so close to me, that I'd probably prefer to have it out a little bit. Oh, the armrests move with the whole chair, I think, so that's part of it. It moves back pretty far. It's pretty comfortable. Oh, and the headrest is not tall enough. All right, I need some of that forward action. I got that weird neck I was joking about before. next up I want to show off the little, what they call as a dynamic support system. So everything's basically tied together. It's all screwed together with pulleys and magic engineering, whatever you want to call it, and they all move in unison. So you have the armrests, you have the back, the seat, and the headrest. They all move as one single unit. Whenever you want to lean back, it all leans with it. So this is the part that we're excited about, right? I don't know what else is moving, but it seems like a lot of things are happening, but I still feel just as comfortable. They have 105 degrees, which is deep focus mode. The second one is 120 degrees, and that's solo work mode. They have 135 degrees, which is a soft recline mode. And then 160 degrees, which is called spine flow mode. So this would be number 3. That's actually kind of scary. Yeah, that spine flow one is no joke, man. You have to be ready to just like, one last feature. It's a dynamic massage. It's massage. You want massage? All right, full 160 degrees, and then I'm gonna massage. Ooh, actually, that's not that bad. I thought it was gonna like break my spine because it's like pushing it up, but it kind of stops, like it doesn't go up that high. Wow. Okay. Oh, it goes to different heights. It's not just full up and full down. The first one went like just low, and then the second one went deeper. Okay. My spine. Oh yeah, I could get used to this. My God. Oh my God, it's lifting me to heaven. My God. At least it doesn't do that for each one. At least it like slowly eases you into it. My spine feels nice and loose now. At least I have a comfy spot to put together the next thing that we got that I forgot to mention until now. There's also a leg rest that comes with this. Boom, leg rest. Hopefully this isn't too hard to put together. This is the first step. So first things first, lay this thing down. Boom, done, complete. Everything assembled. Then you grab these two bad boys. Okay, so you stick these little pieces onto the end, left and right. Put the long vacuum attachment looking thing in here. And then, step 3, put this thing on. This. Inserts in the bottom. Connect those. Nice and snap together. You hear a good snapperoo, you know you did something right. There you go. Now you have the bottom part. This screw hole right here, you're gonna put this in there. There you go. Screw it in all the way. So this part, these clips right here, there's little clips on either side. Here and here. And they grab onto this. Push it in and on there like that. And then flip it down. And then clip it. That's pretty sick. Okay, so what it said is, it said, don't put your feet on this. Put your feet on here. But this is more for like your calves, they said, so. Super easy to put together. 10 out of 10 leg rest. Thanks, LiberNovo. Final thoughts on LiberNovo OmniChair. I freaking love this chair. It's one of my favorite chairs, period. I think this might be one of the most comfortable chairs that I've ever sat in, like, in my entire life. No cap. I really like it. The only thing that's a little weird maybe is like the dynamic massage. I feel like that could have been something else. Or maybe just don't include the massage function. You know, I'm not sure what you could do about that, but that was the only weird thing that I was like, I'm probably not going to use this. It's a cool feature. I'm sure somebody will appreciate it, but me personally, like I said, it's just a personal opinion. Like the comfortability alone, first of all, it's just amazing. The fact that when you go to sit back, the whole freaking chair just moves with you. It's just awesome. So I guess it's not out yet, so I'm not sure about the price. It's going to be out in 3 days from whenever this recording is, so by the time the video goes up, if I was to take a wild guess, I would say probably somewhere in between the $500 to $1,000 range. I was looking at their Kickstarter, and Apparently their goal was $49,900. They got $5.7 million on Kickstarter, and their goal was $50,000. So they put a lot of money into the company. A lot of people have believed in them. Definitely check it out. At least take a look at their stuff. Check out the Kickstarter. Yeah, I really believe in this product. Man, I just can't even think when I'm sitting in this chair because I'm just so freaking comfortable, dude. I just need to like end the video and just like I'm vibing, dude. I don't even care, bro. What's up? It's your boy Noodle Nick. Video over. I'm taking a nap now. Good night. See you in the next tech review. Bye bye.